Refined, unwrought lead, not as glamorous as gold or as talked about as oil, but this humble metal is vital in our modern world, key in batteries, construction, and radiation shielding, a multi-billion-dollar industry connecting nations. It fuels economies, soft, malleable, and easy to work with, resistant to corrosion, ideal for many applications, from ancient plumbing to modern electronics. Its importance in global trade is immense. The journey begins underground, ends in factories and homes worldwide. This metal quietly powers our lives. Explore the world of refined, unwrought lead. The production of refined, unwrought lead is a multi-step process. It involves mining, smelting, and refining. Lead ore is extracted from the earth. The ore is then crushed and ground into a fine powder. This powder undergoes a process called smelting. Smelting involves heating the ore to high temperatures. This separates the lead from other materials. The molten lead is then poured into molds and allowed to cool. The resulting product is called lead bullion. Lead bullion is then further refined to remove impurities. Refining involves a series of chemical and physical processes. These processes purify the lead to a high degree. The end product is refined, unwrought lead. This lead is ready to be used in various industries. The production process is energy intensive. However, advancements in technology are making it more efficient and sustainable. This session is brought to you by NavaTies, your ultimate destination for all things about international trade. Whether you're looking to learn about global trade or need assistance with imports and exports, NavaTies has got you covered. Visit NavaTies.com to register for free today and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Refined, unwrought lead is a versatile metal. It finds applications in a wide range of industries. One of its primary uses is in lead-acid batteries. These batteries are used in automobiles, backup power systems, and even renewable energy storage. Lead's high electrochemical efficiency and low cost make it an ideal material for battery manufacturing. In the construction industry, lead is used in roofing, flashing, and soundproofing. Its durability and resistance to corrosion make it a valuable material for protecting buildings from the elements. Lead is also an excellent radiation shielding material. It is used in hospitals, laboratories, and nuclear power plants to protect people and equipment from harmful radiation. Furthermore, lead is used in the manufacture of ammunition, bearings, and solders. Its unique properties make it an indispensable material in these applications. Refined, unwrought lead is truly a metal of many talents. Its versatility ensures its continued importance in the global market. The global trade in unwrought lead is approximately USD 4.5 billion, with a 5-year fluctuation between USD 3.3 billion and USD 4.5 billion. In terms of volume, the trade currently sits at around 1.98 million tons, ranging from 1.7 to 1.98 million tons over the same period. The average price for unwrought lead is about USD 2.29 per kilogram. The top importers of unwrought lead are the USA, Germany, Turkey, Singapore, Italy, South Korea, Vietnam, Spain, Taiwan, and India. The leading exporters include South Korea, India, China, Australia, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Belgium, Bulgaria, and Sweden. India contributes significantly to the market, exporting around USD 5 billion worth of unwrought lead, which equates to approximately 220,000 tons at an average price of USD 2.23 per kilogram. This positions India with a 10.7% share by value and 10.96% by quantity in the global market. Over the past 5 years, India's market share has varied between 6.98% and 10.7%, with revenues between USD 227 million and USD 486 million. So if you are looking to import unwrought lead at better rates and better quality, India should be your destination for procurement. While this is about India's trade, you can generate more reports for unwrought lead trade about any country directly on the NavaTies platform. As the world transitions towards a more sustainable future, the lead industry is adapting to meet new challenges and opportunities. Recycling plays a crucial role in the lead industry. Lead is a highly recyclable material, and the vast majority of lead-acid batteries are recycled. This reduces the need for primary lead production, conserves natural resources, and minimizes environmental impact. The growing demand for renewable energy is creating new opportunities for the lead industry. Lead-acid batteries are used in solar and wind energy storage systems. As the world embraces clean energy, the demand for lead-acid batteries is expected to rise, further boosting the global trade of refined, unwrought lead. The lead industry is committed to responsible and sustainable practices, including reducing emissions, improving energy efficiency, and promoting worker safety. By embracing innovation and sustainability, the lead industry is poised to continue playing a vital role in the global economy for years to come. How can NavaTies help you explore the global trade of unwrought lead? NavaTies provides comprehensive country facts and in-depth market research on the global unwrought lead trade. It offers you detailed insights into top countries that import unwrought lead based on various parameters. Further, you can use our business ecosystems to meet business owners who belong to mining, metals, and minerals industry, or access our world directory of companies, trade, and government bodies, which you can use to improve your export or import business. Click the link in the description and download the detailed report of global unwrought lead trade, or visit navaties.com. The lead industry's commitment to sustainability, recycling, and responsible sourcing will be crucial in ensuring its continued success. Refined unwrought lead, a metal with a rich history and a promising future, will continue to shape our world in ways both seen and unseen. Its enduring legacy is a testament to its versatility, resilience, and enduring importance in our interconnected global village. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more content. See you in the next one.